students. I am Bhagirath. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of exercise 2D 31 number question class 6. Okay, so the question says that there are 527 apples and 646 pears and 748 oranges. Okay, there are to be arranged in heap containing the same number of fruits, okay, and find the greatest number of the fruits possible in each heap. How many heaps are formed? There is said greatest. You know HCF full form, highest common factor. It means highest means greatest. If you find the HCF of these three numbers, then you can get the answer. Okay, so we start the solution. Apples 527 numbers are given, and pears 646 pears and 748 oranges. Okay, so we find the HCF. Now we will take the HCF. Division method we will use. One time 527, that is 16 minus 7, that is 9, and 3 minus 2 1, and that is 0. Okay, no 0, that is 1. 119. With this remainder we will divide this divisor 527 how many times? If we divide with 4 times, so 4 times, this one. Okay, so 7 minus 6 1, and 12 minus 7 5, and this is 0. Now with this 51 we will divide this 190. Also we have 2 times, this is 102, 7, that is, and 1 17, and with this 17 we have to divide 51. Okay, 3 times we can get 51. SCF, here we get SCF 17. Okay, and with this 17 we have to divide now 17, we will divide this one. Okay, so now 4 times, and 14 minus 8, that is 6, and it is 0, and now 8. It is 4 times 68. Means SCF we get 17, because with 17 it cuts properly. That's why this. So the answer will be this number. Okay, 17 will be the answer. This type you will solve all the questions, given questions. Now we solve the next exercise. Now we start exercise 2E. Okay, and here we have to find the LCM of the numbers. Okay, I have taken 2 questions. First number 42 and 63. You know the division method. Okay, so we start solving 42 63. The simple method is you will draw like this, and now by which table you can divide both number. It means you have to find the factors. By that factor, particular factor, we can divide this both number. Okay, so you know this can be cut by 3 also, and this can be cut also by 3. If you divide with 2, then by 2 this can be divided, 42 can be divided, but this one not. Okay, so by 3 we will divide. 3 1 ja 3 and 12, you know, 3 4 ja 12, 14 14 3 ja also 43 42, and by 3 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. And this fourth number, you know, by which type of 7 7 2 ja 7 3 ja. Okay, now you write all the numbers in product form, and now you have to multiply. 3 2 ja 6. Okay, 6 3 ja 6 3 ja 18, and 18 multiply 7, that is 18 7 ja, you know, 126. Okay, enrolled? No. Now we solve this number question, 8 number question. By 2 we can divide all the given numbers because the ones digit is 0 or multiple of 2. So by 2 when we divide, this is 7 to the 14 and 2 to the 4, and this is 90, and 2 and the 2, 1 is remainder, 1 8, 18 to 9 ja 18 and 2 to the 4. Okay, also by 2 we can divide because last digit is 2 or 0, so that is 36, that is 45, and that is 2 9 ja 18 and 2 6 ja 12. Also by 2 again we can divide because last digit is multiple of 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 18. Okay, and this is now that one 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja. Again with 2 we can divide 9, that is 45 and 24. Okay, now by 3 we can divide because by 2 we can't, so 3 3 ja 9, and this one 15, and this is 12. By 3 again, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja, okay, 15, and 3 4 ja. Now we can't because 5 and 4 that is prime that can't be cut by any similar number. So now in product form you will write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1 with the same, leave that, and by 4. Okay, and when you multiply, you know, when you multiply 2 and 5 you will get 10, means 1 0 we will put, leave that one, and now you can multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. Okay, and this one 4 3 the now multiply this both. Means 2 8 8 and 1 0. This is the answer. Okay, this type you will solve the rest. 8 number I have taken the LCM of 144 180 384. Okay, we first divide with the 2, we got 72, and here 90 and 192, and by 2 again. First the process is you have to divide with the smaller number, then first 2, then if 3 by 2 not, then 3, then 4 or 5, and so on. Okay, increasing order we have to take. So by 2 again we divide, we got this one, and by 2 again this, and by 3 here we divide, and at last by 3 we got this one 1 5 and 8 here, and when we multiply all these numbers we got these numbers. Okay, now we move on. 10 number question says the find the HCF and the LCM of this number. 117 and 221. Okay, so first we have to find the HCF and then the LCM. Okay, and here we will follow one important formula, that is that LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, I write in first number and multiply second number. Okay, this is the main formula. If HCF you found and LCM equal to, this is product, when you take this side it becomes divide. First number into second number by HCF. Okay, and when the LCM and HCF given and the first number given, then you can find second number, and second number given, then you can find first number. Okay, this formula we will use here. First we will find the HCF by division method. (11 minus 7) that is 4, that is 1 minus 1 0, and that is 2 minus 1 104, and 104, and by this we will divide 170 also one time, that is 3 1 13, and at last 8 times you will get 104. Okay, so HCF you got 13. Okay, and by this formula we will use first number, second number given, HCF given. Now LCM equal to you will write first number multiply second number by HCF. Okay, first number, this one, first number 117 multiply 221, second number, and HCF we got 13. Okay, so 13 you can divide this one, 13. Okay, 9 times, and now you multiply 9 multiply 201, you will get 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 2 18, and 1 19. This is the HCF. This is LCM. LCM is this one and HCF is this one. Okay, this type you will solve the rest. Now I solve the 18 number question. The product of two numbers given and their LCM is also given, and find the HCF. Okay, HCF equal to, HCF equal to, you can find the HCF equal to first number multiply second number and by LCM. And first we will write the first number into second number by LCM. First number and second number given, the product of the two numbers given already, means this number, product given, and LCM also given 320. Okay, now cut that one by 2, you can also cut 16, and by 2, 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 8 and directly 8 times you can get 8. So 8 will be the answer. Okay, this type you will solve the exercise 2E. Okay.